Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily change your Audi Q3 car key battery. This simple guide will help you replace the battery quickly and efficiently. First, make sure you have a new CR2032 battery ready. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver to gently open the key fob. Having a clear, well-lit area will make the process much smoother for you. Now, let's open the key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your Audi Q3 key. Press this button and carefully pull out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Take your small flathead screwdriver and insert it into this slot. Gently twist or pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid damaging the casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully remove it, paying close attention to its orientation. The positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, typically faces upwards. Now, take your new CR2032 battery. Insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly into place without much effort. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Now, test your key to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working correctly. You've successfully changed your Audi Q3 key battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.